Hello everyone, hope you guys doing amazing out there. Previously, I showed you guys how we cook at the funeral. Guys, my family came together to cook to send my uncle away. So guys, it was amazing. It's just a culture that we practice mostly when somebody passes away. And I hope you enjoyed the previous video. This is just the continuation of the video. I just want to take the moment to show you guys what we cook, how the funeral rite started with cooking, and then at the end of the video, me and my family walked from the house to the funeral ground. So I hope you enjoy this video. I hope this video kind of give you an idea about funerals in Ghana. Thank you very much. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, and also turn your notification button on so that anytime we post other videos, you'll be the first one to be notified by YouTube. Thank you so much. See you. Enjoy the video. This is my sister. This is Meo. This is Desire. That's my mom. That's my younger brother, Noble. And this is the beautiful one, Julian. Sorry. And this is me.